So here's some seeds, leftovers from my planting season in early spring, and from experience I'd rather sow them directly now the cold days are over, and see what germinates, and just leave it and take a chance rather than keep it for next year. A little bit of cosmos also directly with zinnias. I know for a fact zinnias don't like to be potted on and replanted because they struggle. So I'll mix everything in this jar and underplant and interplant between dahlias, and I'll show you where. So autumn, and I would like to experiment a little bit. I'll directly sow these and compare to the ones I've started early in spring. And so sprinkle randomly everywhere, and just very gently, just fluff, not even wait, fluff the soil around them. Temperatures really good, chicken, soil is warm, still early. They'll have a chance to develop during the summer months. Around this sweet rocket, which is gonna die off because it's a 2-year-old plant, so after it finishes blooming I'll just leave the seeds so I can save seeds for next year. But see, I'm actually quite looking forward to see how's this gonna pan out. Just fluffing the soil because some of these seeds need actually light to germinate. Some of them need to be under soil just a little bit, but I'm not worried at this point. I think I'm giving them a chance rather than sitting in packets waiting for next year when most of them will just be not live at all. So this is what I'm gonna do. This soil is quite heavy, which is not bad because actually holds the moisture pretty well, and it's full of nutrients, so